The dangers of flood. Let's get started. Disrupt. Disrupt. Examples. The transport network was severely disrupted during the continual flooding. The transport network was severely disrupted during the continual flooding. After heavy rainfall, the railway links were broken and have disrupted the supply chain. After heavy rainfall, the railway links were broken and have disrupted the supply chain. Essential. Essential. Examples. Non-essential staff are not expected to go to work under adverse weather conditions. Non-essential staff are not expected to go to work under adverse weather conditions. All non-essential workers should remain at their current location instead of going to work. All non-essential workers should remain at their current location instead of going to work. Evacuate. Evacuate. Examples. The Fire Services Department had evacuated 100 people during the flash flooding. The Fire Services Department had evacuated 100 people during the flash flooding. The government evacuated residents in low-lying areas before the landslides. The government evacuated residents in low-lying areas before the landslides. Extreme. Extreme. Examples. The government announced that extreme weather conditions were expected to continue until tomorrow. The government announced that extreme weather conditions were expected to continue until tomorrow. Extreme rainfall caught many residents by surprise. Extreme rainfall caught many residents by surprise. Inclement. Inclement. Examples. Bus companies stopped all overnight service due to the inclement weather. Bus companies stopped all overnight service due to the inclement weather. To ensure safety at work in times of inclement weather, employees should stay at a safe place. To ensure safety at work in times of inclement weather, employees should stay at a safe place. Mobilize. Mobilize. Examples. Each of the departments mobilized all resources to provide assistance in the affected areas. Each of the departments mobilized all resources to provide assistance in the affected areas. The government is mobilizing quick resources and emergency teams to support those affected victims. The government is mobilizing quick resources and emergency teams to support those affected victims. Paralyze. Paralyze. Examples. Record-breaking rainfall paralyzed the city yesterday. Record-breaking rainfall paralyzed the city yesterday. The flooding paralyzed banking activities in some commercial banks in the city. The flooding paralyzed banking activities in some commercial banks in the city. Shelter. Shelter. Examples. Residents are advised to take shelter in a safe place owing to the deadly flooding. Residents are advised to take shelter in a safe place owing to the deadly flooding. In view of the severe flooding, the government announced that a total of 10 temporary shelters have been put into operation. In view of the severe flooding, the government announced that a total of 10 temporary shelters have been put into operation. Stick. Stick. Examples. There was no way out for the drivers to leave the flooded streets because they were stuck. There was no way out for the drivers to leave the flooded streets because they were stuck. The residents were stuck in the village because the road was full of rocks from landslides. The residents were stuck in the village because the road was full of rocks from landslides. Submerge. Submerge. Examples. The vehicles were submerged in floodwaters, with only their roofs visible. The vehicles were submerged in floodwaters, with only their roofs visible. The low-lying malls were completely submerged after the heaviest rain on record. The low-lying malls were completely submerged after the heaviest rain on record. Suspend. Suspend. Examples. All schools were suspended, caused by extensive flooding yesterday. All schools were suspended, caused by extensive flooding yesterday. Hundreds of flights have been suspended after record rainfall. Hundreds of flights have been suspended after record rainfall. Torrent. Torrent. Examples. Streets turned into torrents, with murky brown floodwaters. Streets turned into torrents, with murky brown floodwaters. Torrents of dirty water rushed down a street during a flash flood in the city. Torrents of dirty water rushed down a street during a flash flood in the city. Torrential. Torrential. Examples. The low pressure has brought torrential rain to the coast of the city since last Monday. The low pressure has brought torrential rain to the coast of the city since last Monday. Torrential rain brought severe flooding and landslides to the capital city during the weekend. Torrential rain brought severe flooding and landslides to the capital city during the weekend. Trap. Trap. Examples. The drivers were trapped on roads after record-breaking rainfall. The drivers were trapped on roads after record-breaking rainfall. If you are trapped by moving water, please move to the highest possible point. If you are trapped by moving water, please move to the highest possible point. Trigger. Trigger. Examples. Rainstorm triggered widespread flooding in the city. Rainstorm triggered widespread flooding in the city. The heaviest rain triggered landslides in the mountainous areas yesterday. The heaviest rain triggered landslides in the mountainous areas yesterday.